मायालु तिमी सँगै सँगै हिँड्न मन लाग्छ त के गरौँ तिम्रै बाटो बाटो लाग्दा आँखा पनि लजालु तिम्रै बाटो बाटो लाग्दा आँखा पनि लजालु तिम्रै बाटो बाटो मनमा भाछ एउटै बाचा तिमी सँगै हुने.
Hello everyone. We are at Taj Vivanta Pakyong, Sikkim. Over here we have brought our students like every year for the professional hoteliers training. They're getting trained by the hospitality experts. What better than Taj? We are here at Sikkim with our students who are getting trained by the professional hoteliers. They're getting trained on the core departments of hospitality: housekeeping, food and beverage, culinary. They're getting trained directly from the professionals. In this training, they get expertised on the core departments of hospitality. What better than getting trained from the professionals directly? Not only that they are getting trained, they are also having a lots of fun. And this kind of trainings, the hands-on trainings, you get only at ISHM.
Good evening, my name is Kishan Chetri. So I'm working as a duty manager in Vivanta Sikkim, Pakyong. So I'm here today to tell you that and to thank you ISHM, who has traveled a long way, have selected my hotel for the exposure trainings from all my HODs. I would like to, they are very innovative and creative as well. So I would like to show all my gratitudes and all the best for them as well for the future. Thank you.
ISHM means training, ISHM means hospitality, and by hospitality ISHM has always gone the extra mile to provide unique training programs throughout for all its students. For the last 7 years, ISHM has tied up with various hotels across India to provide professional hotelier training. It started off with Hyderabad, Agra, Chennai. Last year it was Goa, and this year it is Pakyong in the hills. During this course of 4 days that the students spend here, we emphasize on the 4 core departments, which is food and beverage, housekeeping, front office and kitchen.